Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen essential that every home chef should consider, the Cuisinart 15-piece knife set with block, model C77WTR-15P. We found this product online and added the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what this knife set is all about. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for a well-equipped kitchen. It features an 8-inch chef knife, an 8-inch slicing knife, a 7-inch Santoku knife, a 5.5-inch utility knife, a 3.5-inch paring knife, and even a 2.75-inch bird's beak paring knife. To top it off, you also get 6 4.5-inch steak knives, an 8-inch sharpening steel, a pair of all-purpose household shears, and a beautifully designed wooden block to store it all neatly. One of the standout features of this knife set is the high-carbon stainless steel blades. These blades are forged for superior performance, meaning they offer precision and accuracy with every slice. The durable extra-wide safety bolster ensures you have perfect stability and control while using these knives, making them a great choice for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. The ergonomically designed handles are another highlight. Each knife is designed with stainless steel rivets that secure the full-tang blade, which not only adds to the knife's durability but also ensures a comfortable grip. This combination of features makes the Cuisinart knife set not just functional, but also a joy to use. Now, who is this knife set suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys cooking, whether you're preparing simple weeknight dinners or tackling more elaborate recipes, this set will serve you well. It's perfect for home cooks who want reliable tools that can handle a variety of tasks, from chopping vegetables to carving meats. Additionally, if you're just starting in the kitchen, this set provides a complete range of knives that will help you develop your culinary skills. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Picture this: you've got a family gathering coming up, and you need to prepare a large roast. The 8-inch slicing knife will glide smoothly through the meat, giving you beautifully even slices. Or perhaps you're making a fresh summer salad. The Santoku knife with its unique design is perfect for slicing and dicing vegetables with ease. And if you're prepping a fruit platter for a party, the small paring knives are ideal for intricate tasks, like peeling or creating decorative cuts. Another great feature of this set is the included sharpening steel. Keeping your knives sharp is essential for maintaining their performance, and the sharpening steel makes it easy to do so. Regular maintenance of your blades will ensure they remain effective and safe to use. Lastly, let's not forget the lifetime warranty that comes with Cuisinart cutlery. This warranty covers any defects in material and workmanship under normal home use from the date of original purchase, giving you peace of mind with your investment in quality kitchen tools. In summary, the Cuisinart 15-piece knife set with block is a well-rounded collection that combines quality, durability, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their culinary experience. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced chef, this knife set will become an essential part of your kitchen arsenal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.